everybody. Today on this episode, we're doing some move-out maintenance on one of our rental properties that we're in right now. For this episode, we're going to focus in on how to get wax out of carpets. For one, I've actually never done this before, but I've seen some people do it with an iron and then some other materials. So today, we're going to tackle just that, getting wax out of carpets. So first, let's check out our wax stain. As you can tell, it's been there for a little bit, and they've really worked that wax in there, trying to get it out with some kind of cleaner, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. So hopefully this iron trick will work on wax that's been there for a little bit. Okay, so in all the videos, of course, I start off with an iron. We gotta get this iron warm, not hot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug this sucker in. We want no steam. That's what they said online, at least. And then we want our temperature down to the minimum. Because we're not looking to melt the carpet, just melt the wax. So we'll set this guy aside. Where should we set it? We'll set it over here. So it can start heating up. And next we have a few different materials that we're going to try to put under the iron, or between the iron and the carpet here. And they say the iron will pull that wax up as it melts into the material we have on top of it. And I've seen it done with the two different things here. Well, actually a few more than just two, but we're just gonna try two today. The first one we're gonna try out is these guys. White rags. I love these things. And then we also have here paper. This is just, I think it's the paper you use to like wrap up dishware when you move. I'm not 100% sure. We've had it a long time because we bought it in bulk once. But what they do is they take this and they tear it into strips. So then, of course, they set the paper down, put their iron on top of it, let it wait for a little bit, and then they kind of pull the paper slowly, and it looks like it draws the wax out. So hopefully this is not a bunch of voodoo, and this actually works. Okay, we got ourselves a warm iron. Let's start with the white rag and see what that does. So we're gonna let that sit there. It's actually coming out a little bit. Okay, let's get a new rag. Okay, now we had it on the most minimum setting before. I don't know if you can see that very well. We're gonna put this up to just under, around where it says synthetics. So that'll get it a little bit warmer, so maybe a little bit more heat will help draw out the wax. This was the area we really were focusing on before with the white rags here, and did pretty good. So let's focus on this last big area, and we'll use the paper and see how the paper does. Okay, that was like instantaneous. We're almost got it all up, and I feel like these white rags are much better at getting the wax that's deep down and embedded in these carpet fibers compared to that paper. So, that worked out a lot better than I thought it would. Like, amazingly well. So let's take a look at this a little bit closer and see how it did. Now, you can see that the area really got, it was a little bit of a red tint still right about here. But man, that's a sharp improvement. So, overall, it worked, but it took a lot of time. That was probably about an hour and a half to get that stain out, which if you actually got to this a lot quicker, it probably wouldn't take nearly that long. This smelled like cinnamon, so as we were melting it, it smelled really good, but I'm guessing it probably was a holiday candle, so it's probably been stuck in that carpet for at least 3 months now. And all it took was an iron, a lot of these guys, a lot of that stuff, but it finally came out. And the trick was, I think, starting off with a little bit medium to medium-high heat, and when you use a paper, go with the paper first. Put it down and kind of slowly pull it out from under your iron as you're going. And that seems to get the surface layer of wax off really quickly and really well. And then you can tick up your iron a couple of notches hotter, not so it melts your carpet, but just a little bit hotter. And then use the white rags and some hard pressure to really sop up that wax. It's still like deep down in those carpet fibers. But I recommend this. I'm going to do it again if this ever comes up. Yeah. So, like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe to our channel to see some cool fun things. We have a big project coming up, which we'll be announcing soon. And then tell your friends about this channel. Hopefully they get some enjoyment out of it too. So, until next time, thank you.